Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video lectures. This is for class 2. The subject is English and we are going to do creative writing. Here is your teacher Farhat Mubin and this is lecture number 12. Let's start with the contents. First of all, instructions, then introduction to the topic. After that, web picture will be shown to you. Then we will compose the paragraph and in the end you will be given a home task. Instructions. To begin this lecture, I want all the students to be ready with full concentration. You need to take out your notebooks and stationery items like pencils and erasers. All of you must be supervised by your parents or elder siblings. Dear students, here you are going to practice writing composition of any unseen topic. Unseen means any topic that you have not learnt by heart. I will guide you how to make the web of the topic and how to compose a paragraph. What is a web? This is very important to write any unseen topic. First of all, you need to write the topic in the center of the page and circle it like this. After that, you just look at the topic and give yourself 4 to 5 minutes. Just think about words that come to your mind about that topic and note them down one by one. You need to sit calm and fully concentrate on the topic name. Don't think anything else, just the words. For example, think about your favorite fruit. It may be a mango, it may be a watermelon, or any other. Here we are going to discuss about mango. Now, you may think about its taste, its color, like this is yellow, this is sweet. Now, what next? Summer, that means it comes in summer season. After that, you can think that mangoes are of different types. It is also called the king of the fruits. It is a healthy food. We can also make shake with it and it is favorite of many kids. Dear students, now we will learn to make the sentences of the words that we used in web picture. The web picture is in front of you. Here the words are given and one by one we will use them in sentences. We can make the sentences randomly. Any word that you look or that comes to your mind, you can write it down. For example, the first sentence is, what is your favorite fruit? That is mango. So the sentence will be, my favorite fruit is mango. The next word that I can see is king. So I will say, mango is the king of fruits. Then mango shake. I like to drink mango shake. In which season they come? Summer. So the sentence will be, mangoes come in summer season. The next word that I see on the web picture is healthy. I am going to make the sentence like this. This is also good for health. We can also say that it is a healthy food, but I will like to make the sentence by using the word health. The next sentence may be, I like big and yellow mangoes as they are of different types. So they are sweet and their smell is also sweet. And the last one may be, I like it very much. Okay students, now we will learn to write those sentences into a form of paragraph. Paragraph is the arranged form of sentences. आपने पहले जो पैराग्राफ सीखे उसमें आपने सेंटेंसेस की नंबरिंग की 1, 2, 3, 4 एक्सेट्रा. बट एक्चुअली जब हम पैराग्राफ लिखते हैं तो एक सेंटेंस के फ़ौरन बाद उसके फुल स्टॉप के बाद दूसरा सेंटेंस स्टार्ट हो जाता है. और अब आप इसी तरीके से इस पैराग्राफ को देखेंगे. आई एम गोइंग टू रीड दिस पैराग्राफ फॉर यू. इसमें उन्हीं सेंटेंसेस को जो हमने पहले बनाए एक अरेंज्ड फॉर्म में लिखा गया है. लेट्स बिगिन इट. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस विल बी सेम. माय फेवरेट फ्रूट इज मैंगो. इट कम्स in summer season. Mangoes are in yellow and green color, but I like big and yellow ones. They are sweet and their smell is also sweet. Mango is the king of fruits. I also like to drink mango shake. This is also good for health. I love to have my favorite fruit these days. As these days we are going through the summer season, so I added these words here. Dear students, you can see a proper form of paragraph with the topic My Favorite Fruit. In this way, you can also write any other paragraph with any other fruit. I am giving you the home task to write a paragraph on my mother. I hope with the help of your elders, you will be able to write a paragraph on your mother. Think about your mother, what kind of she is, how she looks like, and then you compose a paragraph. Thank you, students. If you have any queries, any questions, you may ask me. I am always here to help you. Stay home, stay safe.